What is 0.001 and how do machinists say it? 0.001 is 1/1000th of an inch. It takes 1,000 of these to equal 1 inch. For example, 0.009 is 9 thousandths in machinist terms, also said as 9 thou. Learning to say these numbers properly is critical in machining. A simple mistake like saying tenths instead of thousandths can ruin parts. For example, 0.126 is 126 thousandths. This is because it takes 126 of 0.001 to equal 0.126. If you go to the next decimal place, like 0.1263, that's 126 thousandths and 3 tenths. Tenths are 0.0001, 10 tenths equal 1,000th, and this pattern repeats. See these examples. 0.953 is 953 thou. 0.7233 is 723 thou 3 tenths. 0.4577 is 457 thou 7 tenths. You can go all the way to 0.9999 before reaching 1 inch. Then it starts over. For example, 1.2237 is 1 inch 223 thou and 7 tenths. Always double check your numbers and communicate precisely to avoid costly errors. Leave your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.